Just sit right back and you'll hear a tale.
Well, we're on the boat. We're going up to the other place now. We got all our luggage and everything, so we're going to move around. Let's take a look at our fellow passengers here. For a monkey here, I don't see him. Oh yeah, there he goes, there he goes. Yep, he's going down.
But the wolf is still there.
Yep, you just barely see him. But he's back in there, monkey.
Very rare. Silver leaf monkey or silver
Oh
langur.
yeah, there he's going up the back of that tree. There he is, he's looking at us. Straight ahead there, right in there. We can't see him now, but there's a monkey there that we saw. So you'll have to take my word for it if you can't see it on the vid. But he was there.
Get better view of this angle here.
Yeah, we're coming back to see if we get a better view here.
Yeah, that is a good spot.
He's just,
Brett, the
just
morph, that is a good
about
spot.
up in
The
there.
good profile. You can see the morph now.
Yeah, I
Same
see his
spot.
head. I see his head. He's sitting on the branch. Yep.
Okay,
He's just looking that way. He's looking that way. His tail. Wow, look, there's a couple. It's 1, 2, 3.
Oh, there I go.
Whoa, big jump.
And you can see the several the silver leaf at the back.
One just jumped down
now
there.
it's really good pose. Yeah. Try to get a shot on that. What monkey is that one? The silver leaf monkey or silver langur. The langur is
We're
what
down there.
come from India. It's meaning long tail.
May have to do digital zoom. There's
Wow.
one sitting right here.
Dido's
You can see
face is
him
strange.
Yeah.
out in the open there.
Yeah.
Beautiful. Look at that.
Look at that.
He's
at
like
the
a,
Yeah.
he's
Kind
like
of like
a,
albino.
I'll show it to you later.
like a light brown. Oh, he did a jump.
And there's the mother with the baby. You see that the ginger color on the chase, the one in the back, that's the baby one.
Ah.
Yeah.
The
You get it,
baby's
Brad?
bright red.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, the baby's red.
Sige, saan ticket natin?
Well, we're getting close to our destination now. It's not very wide here. We're right up against the almost impenetrable palms along the shore here. Super thick in areas. Other areas they have other kind of trees here. Saw some monkeys earlier. Did see one crocodile. But they're heading up here. Lunch is next. Looking forward to it.